Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-eyelash extension at kumita ng higit 1,000 to 2,000 pesos daily. Bago ang lahat, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell down below para always updated sa aking mga new posts. Paalala lamang po na ang lahat ng aking kaalaman about eyelash extension ay binibase ko lamang po sa aking experience as salon worker for 5 years. Nowadays, naging in demand sa bansang Dubai yung mga eyelash master o eyelash technician. Malaki yung sahod nila dito, umaabot sa 60 to 80,000 yung monthly nila. At aside from that, hindi pa mahirap yung trabaho nila kasi uupo lang sila at gagawa all day. Not unlike sa OFW na nagtatrabaho sa bahay, kaka-start pa lang nila, pagod na sila all day. Dito, mas malaki pa yung sahod mo kung ikaw ay magiging eyelash master, malaki yung sahod mo monthly at the same time, hindi ka pagod sa trabaho. So, I suggest you na pag-aralan nyo po yung eyelash, kung paano gumawa ng eyelash extension. And what are we waiting for? Let's jump into the video. I wanted to share this chart for you to have ideas about the types, length, and thickness of lashes. First, we have two types of curvation, the C and D curl. For the C curl, it is a natural look used for a natural types. D is for D curl. It is also a dramatic and visible one. It has the most lift and it is the most obvious. It is just like a mascara look. The second chart are the types of eyelash extension. As we already know that we have lots of types of eyelash extension, but we need to focus the four main types: the natural, cat eye, open eye, and the doll eye. When we say a natural look, this is the simple looking cat eye look. It's just starting from the smaller length of the lashes going to the longer length. The open eye one is yung application nito is that the longer length the eyelash towards the center of your eye. And the last one is the doll eye look, what we call wispy doll eye look. This just like mixing the different sizes of eyelash extension. So, ang types of eyelash extension na ating gagawin ngayon is a natural look with the length of 9, 11, 13 mm and the thickness of 0.07 cm. Materials needed: eyelash extension. This is a C-curl type with the length of 13, 11, 9 mm and the thickness of 0.07 cm. We need also the eyelash glue, tweezers, and eyelash brush. The straight used for isolation and the curl tweezer, it is used for picking up the lash. Micro swab, eye patches, cotton mini electric fan, and eyelash remover. This is used for removing the old eyelash extension. And now, let's proceed to our procedures. Ang aking client nga pala today ay may dati ng eyelash extension, kung kaya't binabaran ko muna ng eyelash remover for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, dahan-dahan ko nire-remove using the micro swab. Paalala lamang po, dahan-dahanin natin pag-remove yung old eyelash extension ng ating client upang hindi masama yung real lashes ng ating client at hindi po siya masaktan. After ko nag-remove yung old eyelash extension, ay pinalitan ko ng malinis na eye patches bago ako nag-start. This time, nagpre-prepare na ako ng mga eyelash extension na ating gagamitin. And also the glue. And then, binabrush ko na. As you can see, may nire-remove lang akong eyelash extension na hindi natanggal sa ating removal. In this case, pag may hindi na-remove, pwede po natin gamitin yung ating tweezers. Split nyo lang po yung eyelash extension sa reel at magtatanggalan na po yan. Yung ating application ay wag nating isagad sa anit. Mag-iwan lamang po tayo ng at least 1/2 inch away sa anit ng ating real lashes. Just for us to avoid the eye irritation. Unang-una ko pong ginagawa ay kumukuha muna ako ng eyelash extension. Nilalagyan ko ng konting glue bago ako mag-isolate. Yan po yung way na comfortable ako magtrabaho. Anyways, depende po sa inyo kung ano po yung comfortable kayo. It's either mag-isolate kayo at bago kayo kumuha, or same process po sa aking application. Paalala, dahan-dahan lang po yung ating paglalagay at pag-a-isolate upang hindi masaktan yung ating client, at gaanan po natin yung ating mga kamay during the application. Make sure na careful tayo sa ating client. Single to single strand lang po yung ating application dito dahil natural look po yung types of lashes na ating gagawin. Napapansin nyo ay may nilagay akong eyelash tape sa giliran ng eye ng ating client. Yung purpose pala ng paglagay ko niyan ay upang mainat ko yung mga lashes ng ating client at hindi ako mahirapan sa pag-isolate. Yan po yung technique or way ko para hindi ako mahirapan at madali lamang po yung trabaho. This time, binilisan ko na po yung ating application dito dahil yung standard time po ng paglagay ng ating eyelash natural look na eyelash extension is 30 to 1 hour lamang po. Paalala lamang po, bantayan po natin na huwag mag-sticky yung ating glue dahil hindi po didikit yung eyelash extension na ating ikinabit at hindi po ito tatagal for almost 1 month. Paminsan-minsan po nagtatagal yung eyelash extension for about 1 month to 2 months. Depende po yan sa pag-care ng ating client. po ako ng blue dahil sticky na po yung old one. This time, natapos ko na po yung kabilang mata. So, dito na tayo sa other eye. Remember that kung anong types and sizes yung ginawa mo sa kabilang eye, same procedure dapat ang gawin mo sa kabilang eye para maganda tingnan at maiwasan yung client complaint. Especially kung ibang lahi ang client mo, very picky sila when it comes to eyelash extension. Dapat maganda yung result, very natural looking at hindi mabigat sa mata. This time, bumalik ako sa kabila dahil may dapat akong i-refill at dapat pantay yung ating application. This time, natapos na ako. Nag-remove na ako ng tapes at patches at pinatuyo ko using mini font. And this is the result.